The Science of Time, Unlocking the Mysteries of Temporal Phenomena. In this video, we embark on a captivating journey into the fascinating world of time, unraveling its mysteries and exploring its mind-expanding aspects. We delve into the science behind time, presenting 10 intriguing facts that will broaden your understanding of this fundamental concept. 1. Time is relative. We explore Einstein's theory of relativity, which reveals that time can vary depending on an observer's relative motion or gravitational field. 2. The arrow of time. We discuss the concept of the arrow of time, the observed directionality of time's flow from past to future, and the ongoing scientific debates surrounding its fundamental nature. 3. Time dilation. We uncover the phenomenon of time dilation, where time passes differently for objects in motion or in strong gravitational fields, leading to fascinating effects like time travel into the future. 4. Time perception. We delve into the intriguing topic of human time perception, exploring how our subjective experience of time can be influenced by various factors such as emotions, attention, and external stimuli. 5. Time travel. We explore the theoretical possibilities of time travel, discussing concepts like wormholes, time machines, and the grandfather paradox, and the scientific plausibility behind them. 6. Time's role in the universe. We examine how time plays a crucial role in the evolution of the universe, from the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies and the eventual fate of the cosmos. 7. Timescales in nature. We uncover the vast range of timescales present in the natural world, from the rapid processes occurring at the atomic and subatomic levels to the cosmic timeframes of astronomical events. 8. Time in quantum mechanics. We touch upon the peculiarities of time in the realm of quantum mechanics, where the concept of simultaneous events becomes fuzzy, and the measurement of time becomes intertwined with the quantum state of particles. 9. Time and entropy. We explore the connection between time and entropy, understanding how the increase in entropy, or disorder, is closely linked to the directionality of time and the formation of complex systems. 10. Time's philosophical implications. We conclude by reflecting on the philosophical implications of time, contemplating questions about free will, determinism, the nature of existence, and the role of consciousness in our experience of time. The Science of Time, 10 Mind-Expanding Facts, invites you to embark on a thought-provoking exploration of time's enigmatic nature. Prepare to expand your mind and deepen your appreciation for this fundamental aspect of our existence. Thanks for watching.